What's up, yo? It's your boy once again, Doctor, and welcome back to our channel, the Forex Trader 01. And guys, I want to thank you and I want to welcome you all. This month is actually coming to an end. Today is the 31st of January. So, happy new month in advance. And I want to tell you guys to please do well to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop the best market outlook ever. You know what I'm saying? Because we come out with the best analysis. And if you've actually been followed our channel, you will surely know that we don't just give out fake signals. We give out what is best for the market and for the market condition. We are actually not the best. We are actually trying our best, and this is not luck. This is what we practiced for years now. You know what I'm saying? So but what I want to tell you is Forex can be tricky and nothing is guaranteed. But with the proper risk management, I could say you could stand out in everything you're doing. So guys, on this weekly market outlook for the coming week and for the coming month as well, guys. So happy new month in advance once again. So let's see what we can anticipate for the coming week. So you know how we do it. Let's kickstart everything from DXY. Yeah. So So guys, on DXY, currently what we can see on DXY, it's not too complicated, if I can say. But on DXY, I think last week we predicted a fall. We predicted both bullish and bearish scenario, and I think both come to play in. You know, I said I want to see a break, a pullback here, and then we drop the downside, and we saw that right there. We saw the candle and it dropped. Imagine me picking a trade right there. I think this will just be a loss. I ain't gonna lie about that, because my stop loss always comes around here. So DXY analysis for the bearish case scenario, which I predicted last week, failed. But for the bullish case, I think we won that trade. So I think I said I wanted to see if I'm going to be buying. I want to see a break to the upside, pull back, and then rally to the upside, and this is exactly what we saw. But honestly, can't lie, I think our analysis actually played out pretty well on DXY. But if this is actually an instrument which we trade, I think we'll be having a loss here as well, because I don't like to fake things, because I know I will have get in on this bullish engulfing, and my stop loss will be around here, and then we'll be wicked out. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is, guys. That's market for you. Because and I think what we can see here is an inverse head and shoulder, if I'm not mistaken. You know, let me grab my tool. I think this is an inverse head and shoulder, if I'm not mistaken. Not the best picture actually. This is the left. This is the head. This is the right shoulder. This is the right shoulder right there. And then we push to the up side. So it is what it is, guys. So what should we anticipate for the coming week? So for the coming week, based on what the market structure is telling me, I think I'll be looking to buy, and then this area will be my area of interest. So next week, all I want to see is a break to the upside here, the pullback here, something inside this region, and then a rally to the upside. So I would love to really get that kind of retracement for the bullish case scenario. So that would be my area of interest, guys. This would be my area of interest if I will be looking to buy the XY, if we are going to be long on it. For the bullish case scenario, that's it. And for the bearish case scenario, not until I see a breakdown here, pull back here, and then I will short the market. I will short. So that's that about the DXY. So let's start everything on the currency pairs. So ADUSD first on list. I think if you've followed my channel, you should be good on AUD. I said I wanted to see a break and retest down here. I think our bearish case scenario played out pretty fine in the market for this week. So I said I was bullish on last week though, but I gave out both bullish and bearish case scenario. So we saw a break to the upside, pull back, and then rally to the upside. So, but what happened? Honestly, if this has pulled back to my area of interest, I would have picked a buy right there. But unfortunately, I didn't see that. And then what do we saw? We saw the market break below. The market break below. Market push up, break below, give us a retracement, and then drop. And this was exactly what I predicted last week. So, and if you are doubting, just go back to previous week analysis and check. So, what is the next thing online on AUD/USD? So AUD/USD, we can see some sort of bearish patterns, as you can see, based off market structure. I trade basically the market structure, and from what I can see, AUD/USD is trying to be tricky, but we have to simplify the complicated. So if I'm going to be buying AUD/USD, if I'm going to be selling AUD/USD next week, what I want to see it break below, pull back here, and then we short to the downside. And if I'm going to be buying AUD/USD next week, I want to see this level being taken out, because this is the last structural point. I think we have a range here, and then if I could see a break below here, I will sell. And if I could see a break below, a break to the upside from here, pull back here, I'll be buying. So I'll be buying. And guys, please avoid fake outs. Don't jump into trades. So that's that on AUD/USD. And AUD/USD, they are vice versa, and they move alike. AUD/USD is kind of straight. AUD/USD, we chop loss on that. It is what it is. No, I wouldn't say I chopped the loss. I didn't pick the trade, rather. I didn't pick the trade, but if my mind was telling me to pick, but I was like, I was contemplating, because I already had AUD/USD. They move alike. So on AUD/USD, what do we see? The bearish case scenario played out pretty fine. I said I want to see a retracement down to this level, but unfortunately I didn't see that. We saw a break below and then picked a sell trade based off this bearish and engulfing. So, and then we're still on this trade, and I think this trade it's my break even. Yes, it's my break even. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. So going into next week on AUD/USD, what do I want to see? Going into next week, I want to see this let me mark this my levels. So on SAD/USD rather, going into next week, what am I expecting? I want to see a break here, come back for pullback, and then I short. And for the bullish case scenario, all I want to see is the market move up here, pull back here, and then we rally to the upside. That's for the bullish case scenario. So I'm just waiting for the both level. We react to what the market gives us. So that's that about NZD/USD. So on USD chef actually, I picked this trade as well. USD chef, I said last week that I wanted to see a retracement. Last week I said I want to see a pullback here, a break here, and a pullback to this level, and then we short for the bearish case scenario. But the bullish case scenarios plays out fine in the forex market. So I predicted this move. I said for the bullish case scenario is until I see a break, pull back, break above here, pull back here, and then rally to the upside, which is what we just saw. Now it's actually come into play. So for next week, what should we be expecting as well? Very simple and very straight. So on this, what am I expecting? This is very straight. We need to expect, if I will be buying USD chef, I want to see a break to the upside, pull back here, and then rally to the upside. And if I will be selling, going into next week, if I will be selling USD chef, I want to see a break, pull back, and then we drop to the downside. So that's for the both bullish and bearish case scenario. So the next online is USD card. USD card, honestly, can't lie to you guys. I said I had this level. I think I boxed it. They want to see a break, and it is what it is, guys. Imagine I get in on this small entry, this candle, this bullish candle, and then 1 to 3 was sharply hit, guys. So on this level, what am I anticipating going into next week? So going into next week, I want to see either this to happen. I want to see a break, pull back, and then I buy. And for the bearish case scenario, not until I see this market coming down, pull back, and then we see market shifts in momentum. So that's that about that. On USD JPY, guys, I think USD JPY doesn't really give us what we wanted. USD JPY, I think I predicted the move as usual, but the market doesn't give us what we wanted. We hit loss on USD JPY. So on USD JPY, I had the loss. I picked a buy up here, and then we drop to the downside. It is what it is, guys. Losses are inevitable, but the best of it is we still stay profitable. So due to DXY indicating to the upside, what I want to see is USD card continue being bullish. All I want to see is if I'm going to be buying USD JPY, I want to see this happen. Sorry about that, guys. So this is what I want to see. If I'll be buying, I would love to pick a buy position right there. And if I'll be selling going into next week, for the best case scenario is until I see the market dropped, because this area is an area of interest. It's an area of interest. If I could see a bearish engulfing, this indicates that this level might hold. You understand what I'm trying to say? But you have to wait for the market to react. So on Euro USD was Euro USD had to give us some loss before it give us some profit, I think, because this was a break-even trade. I wouldn't say a loss, because once I see this and I saw this candle, I was like, guy, I need to back out. So I said I wanted to see a retracement down to this level, and we saw it perfectly. The market pulled, give us a little percent, but we had a double top there that reversed the market, and then we picked a sell position right there, base of this candle. I didn't enter this trade because it's actually happened today. Sorry, it happened yesterday, and I was like, the week is actually coming to an end, and I don't want to hold any trade going into next week. So I just have to stay out of the market. So what should we be expecting going into next week on EU? EU is going to be straight. All I want to see is this to happen, and then I want to say for the bullish and bearish case scenario, how I'll do it, guys. So guys, if I will be selling, let me do that first. I want to see a break and a pullback here, and then I look short. And if I will be buying, I want to see this level being violated. I want to see the market come down here, pull back here, rally up, pull back. That's for the bullish case scenario, but we have to be very careful on EU going into next week. So next online is GBP USD. GBP USD has been ranging, and I don't like what GBP USD has been doing lately, honestly, because GBP USD has not been doing quite well. So GBP USD, for the bearish case scenario, I want to see this happen. Pull back here, and then we drop to the downside. And for the bullish case scenario I want to see this happen. See this break, pull back here possibly, and then value to the upside. So that's that on GU, because this week GU has, honestly, I don't like what GU did. It has been ranging and moving sideways. And what do we do on a sideways movement? We stay out. So on the next one, this one has been I would say our best trade in this month of January, because we bought this trade as at this level, which was January 6th. I entered this long position and then I up out, I think somewhere around there, and we made a lot on SAUSD if you follow the analysis. And last week, what I said was I wanted to see retracement back to this level. What do we see, guys? We saw it. It was slightly hit, guys, and then what do? We picked the buy position, and I was even, because I was very skeptical about XAUSD, because once I saw this, I was like, damn, this is an head and shoulder, and then I had to close out the trade and then picked a sell. Honestly, this was a break-even trade, but thank God I didn't really hold it too much. So it is what it is, guys. So on let's say USD next week. Going into next week, what am I expecting? I think I would need to be bullish on this trade. I will need to be very bullish. So I'm very bullish. So what am I expecting? I want to see this happen. Pull back here, rally to the upside, and I'll be looking to buy right from that spot. Or maybe we can actually get a retracement down here as well. So that's that. So for this trade to be invalidate, I want to see the market coming down, break this structure, pull back here, and then I will look to sell, guys. So it is what it is, guys. So guys, I want to urge you all to please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you and happy new month in advance. And it's still your boy once again, Doctor. So thank you and thank you. So guys, next week I'll be teaching you how I get into the market, what I see before I get in, how I enter, and how I move out. So it's going to be, I would say it's going to be a new month gift for you all. February 14th is going to be the Valentine's Day. So just to show the love I have for you, my subscribers and my fans, I just want to let you know that I really love you and I really care about you, and I want you to be successful in this wrestling. So next week, I'll be giving you real trading ideas, how to analyze the market, what to do and what to don't do. So guys, I love you all. Always remember, and God bless you. Amen.